now with Jay, the General Manager for the Smethwick branch. Jay, I keep hearing about mods. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, mods are basically for the advanced vapor.
Okay.
It's something that's a lot more sort of the basic pen. This is the sort of other end of the scale. There are such things as the iTaste VTR. It's a variable voltage variable wattage mod.
Right.
It is quite heavy, but they're designed to give a more intense, customisable experience for vaping.
Nice.
And
looks lovely.
it's a very nice mod. These ones are what are known as mechanical mods.
Right.
They work on a standard sort of battery. Again, all depends on the type of battery that you use. And some of them are modular, some of them are standard tubes. This is a Stingray Mechanical Mod. Works on a standard sort of battery, and this on full charge gives around 4.2 volts of power, and it's because it's mechanical, it's direct, whereas this one has a lot of sort of little bits of circuitry inside. This one is very simple. You simply pop the battery in, screw the bottom on, and it's a bottom firing button. Press the button, makes a connection, and away you go with the vaping, depending on what you want. Atomizers on these are slightly different.
Okay.
This particular one is what's known as a dripping atomizer, where you have to customise the sort of power output that you get by building the coils yourself and the wicking material.
Oh, okay.
You drip the liquid on and put the top on, vape away. The airflow itself is customisable depending on whether you want a really tight draw or a very loose draw. Right. Depending on the sort of things you want. And
again, very simple to use.
Very, very simple to use. And then you go on to something like this. This is one of the sort of high-end mods. Right. It's known as a Panzer. And this very similar to the sort of cartomizer tanks and clearomizer tanks, like the Kanga style one, or there's the Vvapour. Right. They basically very similar to the ones that fit on the pens.
And what's this called again?
That's called the Panzer mod.
Panzer.
That's made in the Philippines.
Oh wow.
Yep. And that one is a modular device where you can literally take off sections and use different style batteries, different sizes, depending on how big the device that you want to have and the sort of power that you have coming out of it.
So it can be really tailored to the individual's
requirement. That's exactly what this is. It's completely personalised sort of device for how you want to vape yourself. Right, okay.
And I see two more here.
Right, yep. This one is quite a new one. This is the UD, and again, this one has a dripping atomizer. It's the Castle, hence the shape of it. Very good mod. It gives a lot of power. Again, modular, so you can change the sizes. Yeah. And this one is the iTaste 134, very similar to the VTR. You can change the wattage on this.
Okay. Fantastic. Everything there for anyone.
Pretty much.
Great.